In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get IPVanish on your Apple TV. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the home screen of your Apple TV, where you can see a list of all of your apps. Once you're here, you want to navigate to the App Store and click into that. And once you're inside the App Store, you want to go ahead and find the IPVanish app. Now we can do this by going to the search icon at the very top menu bar. And here we can go ahead and search for IPVanish VPN. Once you've searched for the application, it should be the first result, which will look like this. And once we've clicked into it, you get a download page which looks like this. Now you can read more information by scrolling down. However, if you want to download the application, you want to scroll all the way to the top. You want to click on the Get button, and this will begin to download the app to your Apple TV. However, mine shows as a cloud icon, as I've already downloaded this in the past. Once you've downloaded the application, you want to go ahead and click on Open. And this will open the application, and the first thing you'll see is the privacy notice. So you want to read through this information, and once you're ready, you want to click on Get Started. Once you've clicked on the Get Started, you'll be taken to the login page, and you just want to go ahead and log into your IPVanish account. Now if you don't have one, you can click on Create Account. Then you can go ahead and create an account from your Apple TV. However, I do recommend that you go ahead and create an account using the link in the description of this video or in the pinned comment, where you can go ahead and get yourself an exclusive discount on an IPVanish membership. And once you've got your account up and ready, you want to go ahead and click on Already Have an Account and sign into your IPVanish account just as you normally would. Once you've signed into your IPVanish account, the first thing you will see is this prompt asking you to add a VPN configuration. So you want to click on Allow, and that will add the configuration to your Apple TV, and now you can start using IPVanish just as you normally would. So for this example, I want to connect to a US server, so I'm going to scroll through the list of countries until I get to the United States. Or alternatively, you can click on the search icon at the very top and search for the server instead. Once you've found the server you want to connect to, you just want to click onto it, and it will begin to connect to that server, and this will only take a couple of seconds. And once you're successfully connected, you get a notification in the top right corner saying you have been connected. So now we are connected to the IPVanish server, we can go back to the home screen of our Apple TV, and we can start using it just as we normally would. However, in this example, I want to use it to watch the US version of Netflix, so I'm going to open the Netflix application. Once you've signed into Netflix and selected a profile, we can tell that we are on the US version of Netflix because we now have access to US Netflix shows. And if we scroll down a bit further, here it says top 10 TV programs in the US today. So we can just select one of these TV programs we want to watch and begin watching them just as we normally would. If you want to disconnect from the VPN server, you simply need to go back to IPVanish, and then you just want to click on the disconnect button, and after a few seconds you'll be disconnected from the server and you can start using your Apple TV just as you normally would. And that is how you use IPVanish on your Apple TV. And to remember to use the link in the description of this video or pinned comment to get yourself an exclusive discount. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.